Hi there. So in this video we are going to talk about how to write commit message for Git. So this is my Git repo. So let's first change something in this file. So let me add this line. So now this file is ready to be commit. So let's add the file first and then git commit. So there are two ways to git commit. So let's see the first way. So write this command git commit and hit enter. So once you do this, it will open your default git editor. So in my case this is the Vim. So here you can start your git message. So in order to start adding message, first hit I button. So once you hit I button, it will display insert here. That means now you can insert your text. So message from VIM. Once you are done, press escape. So once you press escape, insert will be gone. Then this colon sign and then W Q X elementary and enter. So now your commit message is set, and then now you are ready to push your changes. So let's push it. So your changes has been pushed. So let's confirm. So it says message from VIM. Now there is another method. So before that, let's make some changes in the file again. Now let's add the file for commit. So if you don't want to open any text editor, just write -m or -m, whatever you call it, and then type message from inline. So this is the another way, and then push it. So now your changes has been pushed. So let's refresh this, and as you can see, message from inline. So this is how you can push your you can write your commit message. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section.